Hello, my name is Tom Hutchins, Senior Vice President with Angel Oak Mortgage Solutions. We're excited to bring you today's show, Top Originator Strategies. Regardless of what is happening in the market today, these strategies will give you insight on ways to grow your business. It's important to learn from the best, and we hope that you can take something away and use it in your business today.
Alternative Lending, Top Originator Strategies. Brought to you by Angel Oak Mortgage Solutions.
Hi, I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. You're watching Alternative Lending, Top Originator Strategies, sponsored by our friends over at Angel Oak Mortgage Solutions. What we do with top originators around the country who use alternative lending strategies to put more borrowers in homes. Today we're meeting with Adriana Guerrero, who's with United Capital Partners. Adriana is actually so busy that she's actually meeting with us in one of her borrowers' house. Adriana, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day.
Oh, thank you for having me. It's a pleasure.
So listen, I want to get right into this. How did you first get started in alternative lending?
Well, back I've been in this business for quite a while, about 22 years now. And with the recession hit, when the market started picking up again in the year 2010, 2011, we found a lot of clients that were specifically self-employed, that were not on the up and up with their taxes or with their, tax returns, that did not declare, all their taxes and all their income. But they did have the money and they did have the income. You could see it. They're depositing in their bank accounts. Steady income, good credit scores, but there was no way to prove their income other than using the bank statement loan. So that's when I came across that type of product.
So listen, Adriana, I know you're getting a lot of business from real estate agents who look at you as the local expert when it comes to alternative lending. Are there any other unexpected sources of business that's been coming to you that you just weren't expecting?
Honestly, I do a lot of social media. I send out a lot of social media, and my business, a lot of my business comes from referrals. I sit down with clients. If I don't find any other choices for them, I tell them about the alternative lending. If we can't go, conforming loans, I give them the alternative lending product. And I think that a lot of my referrals just come from clients, from past clients. Their family, their friends, they refer everybody to me.
That's great. Now, so what excites you about the future of alternative lending?
Wow, everything in this industry excites me. I love what I'm doing. I'm passionate about what I do. Alternative lending excites me because I know that there's a lot of self-employed people out there that do not show everything that they make, but they do make the money, and they do have in deposits, and they're and they have in their bank account. You could tell the type of people that they are, how they handle their business, how they handle their credit. So that excites me a lot because there's so many different alternatives out there for these people.
Can you share, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. So can you share one scenario that you've done recently, with, let's say, Angel Oak, that you wouldn't have been able to do 2 years ago?
Wow. I have two, but I'll tell you about one. I had a client of mine that she was a realtor for many years, was a stay-at-home mom, but she was a part-time realtor. And she just got into the business again probably like 2 years ago, prior to her buying her house. Her husband was a wealth management man and worked for two companies. I'm not going to say the names, but he worked for two companies. And his first company, he worked as a 1099, 80% of his salary was 1099 commission, and 20% was W-2. And he switched in the middle of the loan, prior to applying for the loan, he switched to another wealth management company with 80%, exactly, 80% W-2, 20% commission. So the pay structure was different. And I was able to structure the loan and sit down and speak to an underwriter at Angel Oak and have her see the loan the way I saw it and the way that I saw my client, because the salary wise was the same. It was just the pay structure for the husband. And then for the wife, I had to show that she had gotten commission, and I had to explain as to why she did not make as much the year before, because she was a stay-at-home mom. So that's probably one of my biggest success stories with Angel Oak.
That's fantastic. And I got to imagine, so this was a real estate agent that you did this for. I'm assuming you're probably getting some business from them now too, right?
Absolutely.
That's great. That's great. A lot of people don't actually understand these kind of loans are perfect for the kind of the bounce back boomerang real estate agents that went through some problems. And if you could be a hero for them, oh, that's just there's such great opportunities. So I really appreciate you sharing that with us. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day.
Oh my God, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure and an honor to be able to do this interview. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. And I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Angel Oak Mortgage Solutions is the fastest growing non-QM lender in the country. And if you've done business with us, you know why. Angel Oak has brought back responsible, common sense lending to the business, and lenders everywhere are seeing their businesses grow by teaming up with Angel Oak. Check us out online at angeloakms.com. That's angeloakms.com, and make it a great day.
This is Mortgage News Network.